Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from KuCoin to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB assets smoothly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, a little caution goes a long way to keep your funds safe. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Kraken and that your BNB is available in your KuCoin wallet. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallets section and find your BNB balance. Now, look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there or under a drop-down menu. Next, select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. The most crucial part here is pasting in your Kraken BNB deposit address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. You can find your Kraken address by logging into Kraken, going to the Funding or Deposit section, and selecting BNB. Copy that address carefully. Now, enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees. For BNB, it's typically on the BNB Smart Chain, so keep an eye on gas fees. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. KuCoin might send you an email or SMS code. Use it to verify. After submission, track the transaction on the blockchain using Explorer like BSC Scan. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives on Kraken, check your Kraken wallet to confirm the deposit. A quick tip: always withdraw a small test amount first if you're unsure. And in 2025, with evolving regulations, ensure both platforms are compliant in your region. That's it for this guide. You've now successfully moved your BNB. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.